Humankind is in a state of ongoing change. Our impact on nature is becoming more and more apparent. Not only are we failing nature, but the consequences for humankind are also becoming increasingly evident. Placing ourselves above animals and plants, it feels like we are so far away from each other. We prioritize ourselves and our needs and continue to destroy the ecosystem in the process, forgetting that we humans are also part of nature. But let's assume that this ranking would be different. An evolved creature takes the right to treat us the way we currently treat nature. Our houses and apartments are being polluted, set on fire, or destroyed altogether. As if that wasn't enough, our water and food sources are also being contaminated. And there is nothing we can do to stop them. Why don't we forget this double standard and see nature equal to ourselves? Without a functioning ecosystem in which we show consideration for the environment and respect it accordingly, we are destroying all life, including that of humankind. Let's work together as one ecosystem and as part of nature.